John Pallotta.
John Pallotta.
John Pallotta. John Pallotta.
John Pallotta.
John Pallotta. John Pallotta.
John is one of the best acting coaches I ever been around.
You know, in my lifetime, I've had the pleasure and the honor to have studied with the greatest people in this industry. Lee Strasberg, Uta Hagen, Bobby Lewis, Herbert Berghoff, Bill Hickey, Austin Pendleton, Zoe Caldwell.
John Pallotta came down on the studio with us today, and he is phenomenal. His coaching of our people was just extraordinary. All of you students at John Pallotta Studio, stick with it because you will improve and your craft will get better. And I really encourage you to stick with John all the way.
He's a nurturing kind of teacher, one who's going to kill me. Look at me. Do I look special? I don't. I did it. You can. All you have to do is dedicate yourself, stick with John, and you got to pay. Thank you.
From the B-52s, check out John Pallotta's acting class. It's amazing.
Always listen to what John Pallotta says. You got a good heart. It's such a strength.
I wanted to come and just tell you guys, if your dream is acting, and it's what you really want to do, pursue it. Definitely work with my guys at the studio, John Pallotta Studios, and keep working hard and make your dreams a reality.
I just want to encourage all of you students who are taking acting lessons from John Pallotta. You guys are truly blessed to have one of the best in the business who's imparting an awful lot of knowledge to you. I would encourage you to soak up all that you can. Don't be afraid to ask Johnny any question. I've been blessed to know him for several years and know him to be an outstanding and superb individual.
But I'll tell you this, he's honest and he's to the point, and he'll let you know what you need. And if you don't know how to act, he'll take you in. He wants to help people.